The Ranch Mind team received an intriguing, almost clandestine request in 2020 to design a modern family home as a complete surprise. The clients, a couple with 3 growing children, had twice embarked on similar projects with other professionals, only to see them falter. This time, the husband sought to bypass the usual collaborative process and deliver his wife her dream home, a bold gamble in the often meticulous world of architecture. The existing ranch house in Phoenix's Arcadia neighborhood, once spacious, had become cramped, and the family yearned for a contemporary haven that reflected their evolving lifestyle. Against the odds, the surprise unveiling was a resounding success, transforming what could have been a risky endeavor into a moment of pure joy, marking the beginning of a new chapter for the family. The resulting charmed house is a testament to thoughtful design and a deep understanding of the family's needs. The main house, a striking blend of black brick volumes and a white stucco second story, opens seamlessly to the surrounding yards through pocketing and sliding glass doors. Warm wood accents frame these openings, as well as the front door, adding a touch of natural elegance. The layout is meticulously planned. The first floor houses the primary suite, guest bedroom, gym, and main living areas, while the second floor is a dedicated space for the children, featuring bedrooms, a den, a homework area, and a laundry room. This separation allows for both communal family time and individual privacy, catering to the diverse needs of a multi-generational household. Anchoring the east side of the backyard, a wheelchair-accessible guest house provides comfortable living quarters for the grandparents, fostering close family ties. This addition, coupled with the preservation of the existing pool, creates a central courtyard, transforming the backyard into a private oasis. The charmed house is not just a dwelling, it's a carefully crafted environment that harmonizes modern aesthetics with functional living. A testament to the Ranch Mind's ability to translate a unique vision into a tangible reality, a place where surprise and delight intertwine to create a truly charmed home.